hold up. I think at this point we all know about the contouring with self-tanner thing, but I want to do it a little bit differently this time. So I'm going to a festival tomorrow, and I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Also, it's on the beach, so I'm not going to be able to wear makeup. So we're going to make our own makeup, okay? Our permanent makeup. So first, we gotta remove all the makeup, of course. So I've been doing this for a while now, for a year. And I've got some other hacks to make it look better. Today, I'm gonna be using this one. Before I apply it though, I always do my skincare. So basically, I would suggest what you normally do. I basically use a lot of hydrating stuff because it helps it all blend in better. So I use a Q10 and a collagen booster. It's just better if your skin is hydrated because if it's not, it can look really muddy. Muddy is the word. And it's really important in this step to not forget the neck, of course. So before I use the brush, now I'm going to use a beauty blender. Okay, so here you have your self-tan. And I'm just gonna kind of work it into the skin. And put it really wherever you put your contour. So I always go here and here, also here. At this point, you're gonna be looking a little sickly. A little sickly. But when it washes out, it looks good. Okay, trust me, it looks good. And of course, always put it on your neck too, because you're gonna look silly. Okay? And while we're on the topic of permanent makeup, I also use this. Now, this I've been doing for years. Now, this is meant for your eyebrows. But of course, I use it for freckles. I use dark brown and warm brown. This is not henna and it's 100% safe for you. Now, with this, I just go crazy. Put them wherever you feel like they should be. Now, one more thing about the contour. I also like to put it around my lips. And you're like, you're crazy. First of all, that's true. Second of all, your lips are gonna look like you were wearing lipstick all the time. It's like my favorite hack ever. So when you look something like this, congratulations, you are done. I'm also gonna use warm brown on my brows. Don't forget to put self-tanner here as well. I'm gonna go and marinate. It basically needs to process for 2 hours. For you, it's gonna be a lot quicker. Side note, I really look like Fiona now, don't I? Anyhow, I'm gonna show you how it looks when it develops. Fingers crossed.